Hi students, today we are going to see about stone masonry. Stone masonry is a type of building masonry construction that uses stones and mortar. The stones used for masonry construction are natural rocks. These are the examples of stone masonry. These are our privileged structures. Next, types of stones. We are used dense stones like granites and quartzite, fire resistant stones, sandstones, and soft stones like limestone, marble, and slate. Next, uses of stone masonry. There are vast number of uses of stone masonry. It is mainly used in building foundations, floors, as retaining walls, arches, walls and columns. This is the most important aspect while using stones, that is dressing of stones. It is working of quarried stone into the shape and size of a required for our use. It is necessary because stones obtained from quarrying generally do not have the exact required dimensions or finished, so dressing of stones is necessary. Next, there are so many types of masonries. First one is rubble masonry and second one is ashlar masonry. First we are going to see about random rubble masonry. It is a type of stone masonry in which undressed or hammer dressed stones are used is called random rubble masonry. There are two classifications in it: uncoarse random rubble masonry and coarse random rubble masonry. Next one, uncoarse random rubble masonry. It is in which stones are laid without forming courses is known as uncoursed random rubble masonry. It is roughest and cheapest type of masonry and it have varying appearance. The stones used in this masonry are of different sizes and shapes. It is mainly used in construction of walls of low height in case of ordinary buildings. These are uncoursed random rubble masonries. Next one is coursed random rubble masonry. It is the random rubble masonry in which stones are laid in layers of equal height is called as random rubble masonry. In this masonry, the stones are laid in somewhat level courses. Headers of one course height are placed at certain intervals. The stones are hammer dressed. It is mainly applied in construction of residential buildings, godowns, boundary walls. Next one is squared rubble masonry. The rubble masonry in which the face stones are squared on all the sides and beds by hammer dressing or chisel dressing before their actual laying is called as squared rubble masonry. There are two types. One is coursed square rubble masonry and uncoursed square rubble masonry. First one, coursed square rubble masonry, in which chisel dressed stones laid in courses is called as coarse square rubble masonry. This is the superior variety of rubble masonry. It consists of stones which are squared on all joints and laid in courses. The stones are to be laid in courses of equal layers and the joints should also be uniform. Its applications are in public buildings, hospitals, schools, markets, etc. And mainly it is used where good quality of stone is easily available. Next one, uncoarsed square rubble masonry. The square rubble masonry in masonry which hammer dressed stones are laid without making courses is called an uncoarsed square rubble masonry. It consists of stones which are squared on all joints and beds by hammer dressing. All the stones to be laid are of different sizes. Its applications are on construction of ordinary buildings in hilly areas where good variety of stones are cheaply available. Thank you.